Thousands of minimum wage earners in Metro Manila are expected to benefit from a newly approved wage increase aimed at helping workers cope with the rising cost of living. The increase will be implemented in two phases. The first 60 pesos will take effect on July 19, 2026, while the remaining 25 pesos will be implemented on January 20, 2027. Once the wage adjustment is fully implemented, the daily minimum wage for workers in the non-agriculture sector will increase to 780 pesos. Meanwhile, workers in the agriculture sector as well as employees of small retail, service, and selected manufacturing establishments will receive 743 pesos per day. According to the Department of Labor and Employment, the wage adjustment is intended to provide financial relief to workers as they continue to face higher prices of basic goods, transportation, utilities, and other everyday expenses. At the same time, labor officials mentioned that the increase was carefully studied to balance the welfare of workers with the capacity of businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, to comply with the new wage order. The Department of Labor and Employment reminds employers to implement the wage increase on the scheduled dates and encourages workers to report any violations to the appropriate labor authorities. As the new wage order takes effect, both workers and employers will be closely watching its impact on household incomes, business operations, and the overall economy. Reporting from NCN News, this is Larissa Santos with the good news.